Money Making Heroes boys today from channel Make Money Online with Money Making Hero. Today's video is gonna be really awesome because we want to be showing something awesome today. So this video is gonna be based on how to make money online with copy and paste ads. Yeah, going to be copying and paste ads. This ad is going to be your ads, and you're going to earn double money because per 1,000 views it's still you're going to be earning, and you're going to be earning per clicks also, per action it's still going to earn. So I kind of combine some ideas I've learned for over times, and I think I've tried over time right now too, and it's working very awesome for me. Depend on you. If you can take action right now, you too can earn good money. So if you can't take action, you just don't need to watch this video, please. So this is going to be absolutely free, and it's going to be worldwide because no country we are, any country we are right now, you can earn from this idea, from this trick I'm about showing you. But you need to take action. I keep saying that you really need to take action on this one. Make sure you click the subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell if you haven't joined the crew. It's very simple, just do that. And you have so many articles guys on moneymakingcrew.com. You can check the sites too out. So don't let me waste much of our time. Let's go straight to what we want to do today. Today I'm going to show you different sites, right? About 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 sites or so. I'm going to show you like 8 or 7 sites, so you are going to make sure you keep calm and listen to all the steps very well, please, because if I want to be dipping into every single site, it's going to take us more than an hour, like 30-40 minutes. So I want this video to be about 15 minutes or 10 minutes or less, because we have so many things we want to do, right? So what is the idea of all this video going to be about? One, I've shown you already in one of my videos. I've introduced something like shrink and right, or click fly, right? But I'm going to add another one like shortest.st. So you can use any of these three to shrink it. It's not this additional one that you're going to be earning per 1,000 views. You're going to be earning, but basically the ads you're going to be sharing is going to be your ads. So you're going to go to maybe OG ad. I think I've talk about that. If not, you're going to go to OG ads to get the ads that you want to be sharing. It's going to be your ads. So, or you should go to offer vote. I've talked about that too before. Then the last thing is where you're going to send get the traffic from for Quora or from Twitter. So let's get started to the video. So the first thing is where to get the ads. You can go to offer vote. Offer vote give you ads. Maybe any person that submits mail, you're going to be earning maybe a couple of dollars from that, right? So let's sit down, let's click emails. You can filter by country, and for me to tell you that you can use this trick in any country. Let's search for Nigeria. Let's search for one of African country, Nigeria, right? After Nigeria, you can filter it to email, right? Yes, can filter it to email, submit. Okay, email submit. That's email submit. You may not filter it as this. You can use general one, but depend on where you want traffic to come. See, you can be leading 0.42 cents CPA, just cost per action. Please Nigeria, watching video. So once you just watch the video, you get your 42 cents. So this one is kind of reviews or something like that. Okay, this one is this submitting mails. So once you get this link right here, you go to write somewhere like this to shrink the link, then submit it to where like this. So let's just go straight. So you can just take any of these. So per person that submit this, you get about $2.27, right? If that is so somehow so for you, you can go right here. You can use this link 0.42 cents per person that watched the video from your link, right? If that is not okay by you too, you can go right to OG Ads, search for gift card. This is another one I used to use. Search for free gift card. Free gift card. Now people love to get free gift card.
Like a bird on a tree.
Okay, wait. Search for gift card. So this one, anybody that goes through your link, they're going to get gift card. Yeah, that is very sure. So what they have to come from this country before they get gift card. So like this one, you're going to be getting like $1.5 per person that sign up or maybe submit mail. The person is going to get gift card too, and you're going to get $1.5 from every single person. So if that one is very hard, you can check using the app. Only anybody that download our app with your link, you are going to earn 15 cents. Anybody that download the app from your link, that's it. So let us assume we are using the gift card. There are different ways. That's why make sure you get this, what I'm saying. If you are using the gift card gift card link, you can just go straight to program to search for something that I need gift card. Search for a new gift card. After getting the link right here, copy the link, go to shrink and or go to shortest, paste the link there, and then start answering questions like this. I need gift card. Look at this. How can I get free gift card without survey? So just reply to this person and give your link. So there are going to be a couple of people that are doing that, going to view that's your reply. Couple of people gonna view it. So look at this one. When sending plastic gift card, should email, will I need extra stamp? Not the, do I need gift card receipt with them? Do I need paper to receive Amazon gift card? I need to be a Sam Club. So you can just be replying to people that talk about gift card, since the link is about gift card. Look at this. Look at what I'm saying. Do you want a free? This is a sample of what I'm saying. Do you want a free Amazon gift card? Disclaimer: I get a free gift card too if you sign up. See, that's what I'm saying. Stuff like this. Look at this person is saying I already have 861 views. Can reply for about 10 question like this and any something like this. So it's on as one for like 10 questions. That is about 8,000 plus views. Per 1,000 views, this person is going to earn, if it's from United States, $14 per 1,000 views. United Kingdom, $10. From any country, from Nigeria is about $1.7, different like that. And everybody that click the link is still going to be earning about 15 cents or $2, depending on that. Anybody that click the link. So you don't have a website, but with this you're going to be earning per 1,000 views and still going to be earning per clicks. Look at that. That is really awesome. So you can use that, but if you are using only the app type, maybe anybody that just download the app, they're going to get gift card. You are going to get your earnings. So you can just go to I need money. You can search I need money. So you are going to explain to them that okay, look at this. So you can reply to this that if you want money, download this app, and this is how you too can earn money by doing this. So you can just share them the OG side that they should go there and do the same thing that you are doing, that they can earn money. So they will download it and they will go there, or just search for something that's best app, something like that. You search for best app, reply to them, and you're still going to get view from that. Or go to Twitter, search for I need gift card if you are promoting link based on gift card, and reply to so many people. But there is another thing, another way I used to use that is best for me, right? This way is using YouTube, because there's, if you know SEO, about SEO YouTube, there are some links that people are searching on YouTube. There are some keywords people are searching. If you use TubeBuddy, you can use it to get the keyword people are searching for. This TubeBuddy, you can use I need gift card. See, it's going to show you the link people are searching for, so you can just create ad, create a video based on this, only this keyword. See, about a good number of people are viewing, are searching for this, and this excellent. Can easily see gift card, Amazon gift card. So that is it. Like this Amazon gift card giveaway. So this is what people are searching for. You can just create a video like voiceover, or like if you can face the camera, but you don't need any of the two. If you can watch any of one of my video right here that talking about Google Ads, so there's a site you can just go there, just put a little slideshow, and it's going to give you with a little text. Put this link, this as your title, and also in the description of the video. Then you're going to rank for this video. If it's like about 70 over 100, get something that is 70 over 100. All this one is 20 is not good. If you find anyone that is about 70 or 60 over 100, so you can easily rank for the keyword. So you can just go there, upload it on YouTube. Anybody that view it and use your link in the description of the video, you start earning. So it's very simple like that. If you can't go through this Quora or Reddit, you can use any of the two, or Twitter. You can use the YouTube aspect of it. But if you don't, the YouTube takes time, because it takes little knowledge for you to go about SEO or stuff like that. So it's very simple trick I'm showing you right now. Using any of these OGRs or using OfferVot to get the ads you want. Then go to shrink N to shrink the link. Then go to Quora or go to Twitter to get people from there to take action for you. So it's very simple and straightforward. So that's all for today's video. Make sure you click the like button if you haven't. Make sure it's very important, so you can share this video to so many people. Just click the like button right now, and make sure you click the subscribe button if you have not. Click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, so that you're gonna get notified anytime I drop new videos like this. I remain useful to be useful to stay relevant, and this make money online. It's money making. Money making. If it's not making money, it's not making sense. Peace out.